Okay guys, we're going to begin with what we call the table stretch. What we'd like you to use is something that's quite fixed. It can be a bathroom sink, it can be anything that's fixed on your wall, it could even be a garden fence. So Alex, you grab hold of that now, and you stand about 1 metre from the bar and you come down into the stretch, and you're aiming to have a straight line between your wrists, through your upper back and into your lower back. You hold the stretch for 4 breaths in and 4 breaths out, allowing your body to relax into the stretch and keeping your head in line with your arms the whole time. Where you'll feel this stretch is most likely where you're tightest. Some people will feel it in their lats, some people will feel it in their lower back, some people will feel it down in their hamstrings. Doesn't matter where you feel it, it's all good. Whenever you sit, whether it be in a car or behind a desk, you will get tight through the front of your hips. And this is a great stretch at releasing that tension. Alex is stretching her right hip flexor here. You'll notice that she goes into kneeling on her right leg. Alex will now come forward into the stretch, and she'll show you where she feels the stretch right on the front of that hip. And it might even come down the front of the thigh as well, and that's fine. We hold the stretch for 30 seconds, and then we back off the stretch for a 30-second rest. Back onto a stretch and back off, and you can do up to 6 times 30-second stretches for the right, and then repeat for the left. We'll now stretch the trapezius muscle. This is the muscle that runs from the base of your skull down to your shoulders. It's linked to your posture, so sit up nice and tall when you're working from home. So Alex is now tilting your head to one side, putting a tiny amount of pressure on her fingers, not too much, and she's feeling a stretch all through here. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and then let go. Again, the prescription for this is up to 6 times 30-second stretches per day, either side. We'll now show you a piriformis stretch. Piriformis muscle runs from the back of your hip and up to your low back region. When it gets tight, it can give you tightness in your hips and pain in your low back. What you do to stretch this is you place your opposite knee on the opposite ankle into a figure of 4 hip stretch. Alex is stretching her right piriformis. She now leans forward, being careful not to bend at her back. She keeps her back really straight until she feels the stretch across the back of her hip. She'll hold for 30 seconds and then she'll lean back and let go of the leg. The pecs are the muscles on the front of the chest, and when you've been working for a very long time, you can get very tight in them. All you need is a doorway. So Alex has placed her elbow against the furniture here, and she's now taking a lunge forward with the same side leg. And as she stretches across the front, she can hold that for 30 seconds times 6 for the right side, and 30 seconds times 6 for the left.